constant and read only. Hi everyone, this is Arvind from AllCPL. Topic for today's session: difference between constant and read only in C#. In this session we will learn what are the difference between constant variable and read only variable in C#. Let's check with example. This is a Visual Studio. In Visual Studio, first we check the constant. First we define the constant. We define constant with const keyword. Const integer a. Okay, suppose we define one variable const integer a, and here getting error. A const field required a value to be provided, means we constant variable we cannot define, or we cannot just declare the constant variable, need to initialize the value. So we initialize the value 10. Now it's working fine. Now second point, now try to reassign the value a equal to 30. Again getting the error. Constant variable we cannot reassign the constant variable. This is all about the constant variable. Next one is read only. Read only, we define read only with read only keyword. Read only int a. In case of read only, it is working fine, not getting any error in case of read only, but in case of constant variable need to assign the value in case of constant variable, but in case of read only it is working fine. Or we can assign the value. Either we can assign at the time of declaration, or we can assign in public constructor. Define one public constructor. Public program. Now we try to reassign this value of a equal to 30. Again this is working fine. Okay, now next we try to reassign in the next line getting error. We cannot reassign the read only variable. We only reassign inside the public constructor, and we cannot also reassign inside the function. Just create one function or method, public void add. This is one method, created one method. Inside this method just try to reassign the value of a. Okay, again getting the error, means we cannot reassign the read only variable inside the method or function. So between constant and read only in C#, these are some points. In constants are static by default. The value of constant is evaluated at compile time. Constants are initialized at declaration only, means we can initialize constant variable at the time of declaration. Already we check in the example. Next one is read only. In case of read only, we can assign read only field at the time of declaration or in constructor, not in any method. The value is evaluated at runtime. These are the difference between